Hey guys, this is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and you're listening to and or watching on YouTube Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast. And in this episode, I want to talk about the 5 reasons why investing in multifamily and rental properties creates wealth. Listen, I'm not suggesting that you can't create wealth in any other asset class in the space. I'm just suggesting that in this space, in the multifamily space, I'm going to give you some reasons why multifamily is a great place to create wealth, a great strategy to create wealth. Reason number 1 is it's a hedge against inflation, right? So we've had all of this inflation, everything's going up, gas prices, insurance is going up, clothing, food, everything, milk, beef, everything is going up, right? As I record this podcast, for the month of June, we had 9.1% increase in inflation, a 40-year high. And in the month of July, we had 8.5% inflation. It's cooling down a little bit, but still, that's high, man. That's really high. But when you rent a property and everything goes up, you know what else goes up? You know who pays for that? We tend to pass that cost to the tenant. The resident winds up paying for that. Number 2 is cash flow. Unlike flipping, you're responsible for all the expenses while it's being flipped, while it's vacant, before you sell it. You're responsible, taxes, insurance, all that stuff. When you have a property and it's a multifamily or a rental and you're trying to sell it, guess what? You're cash flowing. Number 3, you control the value based on your performance as an entrepreneur, as an investor. What the neighbors sell their properties for doesn't matter to you. The lower your expenses, the higher the NOI, the higher the value of your property. Number 4, it appreciates while you cash flow. So you can own a property, you can own it for 2 years and say, hey, I'm gonna flip it in 3 or 4 or 5. If anyone tells you that investing in real estate as an operator is passive, they're full of shit. There's no such thing as a passive. You gotta be watching the numbers, you gotta be paying attention, you gotta be walking your properties every once in a while, you gotta be managing the manager. And the reason I sell stuff because I'm constantly trading up. Number 5, lenders prefer to lend on multifamily rather than on single family rentals. It's less risk. The bigger you go for the lenders, it's actually less risk for you as an investor, because if someone doesn't pay on a 57 unit, you're still cash flowing, you're still making money. Someone doesn't pay you on a single family, you're at 100% vacancy. Guys, I hope and wish nothing but the best of luck to you in your investing endeavors. I hope that you take massive action, start taking action. I mean, Craigslist still works. If you're looking to get started, create a board. What's your financial freedom number? Go get educated. Go to meetups. Go start talking to people. Go start taking action right now, guys. Really appreciate you guys watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. If you want to discuss it and unpack it, let's drop it in the comments. And you like to learn from me on how I started and how I started as a wholesaler, and you want to sign up for my course, is on my meetup website, and that's StroudsburgREI.com. This is Martin Perdomo, the Elite Strategist, and you're listening to Latinos in Real Estate Investing podcast. Thank you for watching. Peace out. Really appreciate you guys. So guys, if you like this video you just watched, click on this video up here. It might be something you might like. And guys, I really appreciate you guys watching. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Peace out.